Okay. All right. So Jessica, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. So now, please, could you please introduce about yourself?
my name is Hải Yến. I'm 10 years old. I'm study at class 5/5 at Thắng Nhất Primary School. My favorite subject is history. My favorite food is chicken. My family have 4 people. They are my dad, my mom, my younger brother, and me. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Okay. Thank you so much. Very good job. So now, could you tell me more about your favorite subject? History.
Um, uh, I start learning history in
No, no,
primary
history. History. We say history, not history. We don't say story. History.
history in primary school. History is the study of past events, people, and cultures. And I love learning about how the world had evolved over time. I study his history by reading books, watching documentaries, and discussing topics with my friend and teacher. I find it fascinating because it helped me understand the present by looking at the past. I study
History.
history at school, but I also enjoy visiting museum and reading additional materials in my free time to explore more.
Okay, that's so crazy. You have a passionate, yeah, a passion, a passion for history. Yeah, a passion for history. Okay, so now let's retell a part in the story Guitarist.
When he was in Israel, the women loved him. When he was in Europe, the women loved him. When he was in North America, the women went crazy and loved him. The South American loved him. Asian women loved him. He was a rock and roll god.
Okay, very good job. So now let's do the mini story. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next, he went to his friend Inka. He said, Inka, how can I become the best guitarist in the world? I tried to study with Tom, but he sucked. So, was Inka the first person that Tony went to?
No.
Who was the first person that Tony went to?
It's Tom.
Okay, so why did Tony go to Tom?
Because he want Tom teach he to be a rock god, to be the best guitarist in the world.
Very good job. So, after 1 year, could Tony play the guitar?
Um, no.
Okay, so what was the reason that Tony decided to fight Tom?
Um, I don't know.
Because Tom sucked,
He-
right?
uh,
He didn't teach Tony anything, and after 1 year, Tony had no result. He still could not play the guitar, so that's the reason why he decided to fight Tom, because he could not
uh,
learn anything from Tom, right? Yeah, so he fight Tom. So next, who did he go to?
he go to Inca.
Who was Inca?
Inca is Tony best friend.
Yeah. Did Inca ignore Tony?
No.
Did Inca give Tony an advice?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what was Inca's advice?
Income advice
Is by
is vital to find a player to model.
hmm,
Uh, seek out Jimmy Page.
is the best, right? So as Inca, what is vital?
It's vital to find a best guitarist to model.
Okay. And what is the synonym with vital?
Um, Important.
Mm-hmm. And what else? Only important? Mhm. We have so many other words like significant, critical, crucial, right? So, and what is the antonym with vital? Antonym, antonym.
Um, Unimportant.
Yes, very good job. That's right. So, okay. And all right. So every day he practiced. Every day a lot of repetition with new skills. Finally, 3 years later, Tony became a great guitar player. Ooh. So finally did his dream come true?
Yes.
Finally did his dream come true? Oh, so yes, very good. So how many years later did Tony become a great guitar player?
Um, 3 years.
3 years, very good job. So, how often did Tony practice?
Every day.
Yeah. So, how many times did Tony practice with new skills?
3 years.
How many times?
Uh,
Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times? How many times did he practice per day? Per day.
every day.
No. How many times did he practice per day? So he practiced so many times per day. He have a lot of repetition. He practiced again, again, and again so many times. So the answer is so many times. All right. Or you can say he practiced with a lot of repetition with new skills. All right. So that is that's the end of your mini test today. You did very well. Good job. Okay.